Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best cordless stick vacuums you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many cordless stick vacuums and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each cordless stick vacuums so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a cordless stick vacuum. First, check the battery life and charging time because these affect convenience and cleaning duration. Next, look at suction power and motor performance to ensure it handles different flow types effectively. Weight and design are also important since a lightweight vacuum makes cleaning easier and reduces fatigue. Consider the dustbin capacity and how simple it is to empty and clean. You should also check for attachments like crevice tools, pet hair brushes, or wall mounts for added versatility. Finally, think about price, warranty, and brand reliability to make a smart purchase that lasts long. Choosing the right cordless stick vacuum depends on balancing performance, comfort, and budget. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.